Did you know that solar toys don't just entertain kids? They can actually spark an early love for science, engineering, and renewable energy. Imagine a toy that teaches while it plays, showing the power of the sun in action. Today, we're diving into the top 6 best educational solar toys you can grab on Amazon. All the links are in the description, so let's get started. 6. Solar Robot Toys 6-in-1 STEM Kit. On number 6 is the Solar Robot Toys 6-in-1 STEM Kit. This space exploration themed set lets kids build 6 different solar-powered models ranging from space shuttles and astronauts to robotic cars and windmills. 1. It's a fantastic entry point for STEM learning, designed to simplify concepts like gear systems and energy transfer. The kit focuses solely on solar power, meaning model performance depends heavily on strong, direct sunlight, which is a major limitation for indoor play or cloudy days. The pieces are brightly colored and made of non-toxic ABS plastic, ensuring durability and safety for younger users. Compared to others, its limited model count makes it less versatile for long-term play, but its focused theme and simple mechanics make it perfect for young beginners curious about space and the very basics of electrical power generation. This kit is best used as a hands-on demonstration tool for showing solar energy in immediate action. 5. Solar-Powered Car V1. On number 5 is the Solar-Powered Car V1. With its unique wooden design and hybrid power system, this one stands out from the plastic robot crowd. Kids can enjoy the engaging process of building a functional solar car from pre-cut wooden pieces that interlock without the need for messy glue. Crucially, the model also runs on AA batteries and comes with a remote control. Unlike the SolarOwn 6-in-1 kit, this hybrid functionality offers consistent play indoors, eliminating downtime due to weather. The trade-off is that it's a single build project rather than multiple reconfigurable models, limiting its engineering variability. However, the experience focuses deeply on the mechanical assembly and circuitry of a single, well-designed vehicle. The finished product is durable and can often be painted or customized, adding an artistic element to the STEM learning. The ability to use the remote control makes it highly engaging for competitive play after the educational construction phase is complete. 4. STEM Projects 6-in-1 Robot Kit. Number 4 is the STEM Projects 6-in-1 Robot Kit. This one significantly upgrades the basic 6-in-1 concept by including a solar and battery combo, meaning it works rain or shine, a massive boost to playability compared to strictly solar units. Kids can rebuild it into 6 distinct models, including a boat, a dog, and a walking crab, giving it more flexibility than the single-build wooden car. The parts are designed with a beginner-friendly difficulty curve, allowing younger children to easily assemble the basic models first before tackling the more complex ones. The inclusion of the battery pack makes it a much more practical choice for indoor learning or classroom settings where direct sunlight is unavailable. It's a solid balance of fun and practicality, effectively showcasing 2 different energy sources in one product. The pieces are robust and snap together easily, providing a strong, reconfigurable platform for learning mechanical linkages and the relationship between solar energy and stored battery power. 3. AOHU Solar Robot 15-in-1 Kit. Number 3. The AOHU Solar Robot 15-in-1 Kit offers serious variety and complexity. With 212 pieces, kids can build up to 15 different robots powered by either the included solar cell or rechargeable batteries. 2. The range of models is impressive, including vehicles, animals, and moving humanoid robots, allowing children to explore motion and locomotion systems in depth. This kit grows with the child, offering more complexity and long-term value than the smaller 6-in-1 sets, as kids can progress from simple walking machines to advanced aquatic models. 3 all components, including the electric motor and gearbox, are designed to work interchangeably across all 15 modes. The detailed instructional manual helps teach gear ratios and structural design, translating directly into valuable engineering concepts. It's a big step up for creativity, challenging older children to follow complex diagrams and providing excellent replay value as they move through the different robotic forms. 2. Delinx Fun Physics Kit. On number 2, The Delinx Fun Physics Kit takes a different, highly academic approach to energy study. Unlike the robot kits, this one focuses intensely on energy experiments with solar, wind, and hand-cranked generators. This focus on multiple energy sources makes it a comprehensive tool for demonstrating fundamental physics concepts, like the transformation of energy from kinetic to electrical. The kit includes all the necessary components to build mini generators and see the power generated light up in LED, providing a clear visual demonstration of successful energy conversion. 6. It's less about long-term play and more about serious science demonstrations, making it fantastic for school projects or for children who show a strong aptitude for physical science. However, compared to AOHU, or the big 434-piece kit, it lacks the excitement and long-term build variety of reconfigurable robots. Its primary strength is its educational depth and the inclusion of multiple alternative energy sources, making it a robust platform for learning physics that goes beyond simple solar power. 1. 434 PCS STEM Toys Kit on. Number 1 is the 434 PCS STEM Toys Kit. This is the ultimate solar toy, a massive 434 pieces that allow children to build over 36 diverse robot models ranging from construction vehicles to fantasy creatures. The sheer volume of parts and projects provides maximum versatility and hands-on learning potential, ensuring kids stay engaged for years. While it only runs on solar, making it sunlight dependent and limiting indoor use, its massive versatility and educational depth are unmatched. The kit features a challenging complexity level, encouraging the development of critical thinking, patience, and fine motor skills necessary for engineering. Compared to all the others, this kit offers the most value per piece, the most projects, and the most engaging mechanical fun. The advanced gear systems and structural components teach sophisticated principles of mechanics and design, making it the best option for keeping kids engaged, challenged, and excited about engineering and renewable energy. So which one takes the crown? Based on overall features, versatility, and educational value, the 434 PCS STEM Toys Kit is the clear winner. It's the best option for keeping kids engaged, challenged, and excited about renewable energy. What do you think? Which of these toys would you pick? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget, all the links are in the description. If you enjoyed this breakdown, hit that like button, subscribe for more, and share this with someone looking for the perfect educational gift. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.